Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, ma'am, please you introduce yourself.
Myself is Mrs. Anjali Bowen. I am heading Ryan International School, Kandivali.
Ma'am, so far we are conducting this competition. What is your thought about it?
I saw the kind of a question puzzle it is there. I found it very interesting. It is a lot of application of mind, and children have got a lot of good thought process, and it is a brain teaser kind of a style of asking question, and a puzzles have always been very interesting for children, and to solve it you get more confident. So I think it's a good way, and it's a very short duration in the first round which I saw, so children do it very quickly, and it's a good approach and a new way of approach for children.
The main idea why we brought Kenken to India, ma'am, is because there was many competition as such, but it is always related to some subject. Okay, so but Kenken is lightly related to maths, but the main emphasis on the logic development.
Correct.
So, just as an educationist, I would like to know what is your thought about adding logic learning in the schools.
See, since our school is runs through with CBSE curriculum, where logical question and application-based questions are part of the question papers. So we always make sure that children should apply logical reasoning. Knowledge-based questions are very few, and more of the question emphasis is given on the logical skills and application-based questions. So I think it is very good approach, and children are enjoying it, and they were waiting for the second round. And we wish all the best for this kind of examination, because these questions needs to be developed right from the beginning, and children should apply their mind logically, which is not only for the maths but in future when they make the decisions in their life.
Ma'am, last question. Have you played Kenken yourself?
I have gone through the website. When initially it was being told that our school will be a part of it, I've gone, but I tried, but children are more good in that.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Bye.